What is going on, guys? Black Appeal Tech Guy here, back with another short video. Today I'm going to talk about the Osmo Pocket 3 and why this is going to be the IT camera for 2024, 2025 for those who are looking to start their first YouTube channel and for those who are solo content creators like myself. So I bought this about 4 or 5 months ago. I haven't had a chance to really play around with it other than today, and I made a few other videos with it. But the reason why I say this is an IT camera for content creators, especially those who are looking for something simple and easy to use, is that one, it's small and compact, stick in your pocket, hence the name Pocket 3. You can use an ND filter on it, which is what I'm using on this right now from Freewell. It also has active tracking, which means that it tracks your subject no matter what it is until you double tap the screen and have untrack it, which is actually kind of cool. So right now, I can pull it to my right or left. I can do it, and it works perfectly fine. It will stay with me no matter what. I can pair it with the DJI Mic 2, which is another awesome accessory that you can get for this. It does have good audio on its own, but I already had the DJI Mic 2 when I bought my Action 4. You can also get tons of accessories for this. So right now I'm using the battery grip for this. So I bought the standard standalone style of Osmo Pocket 3. They do have different combos, but you can get those prices a little bit more, but you can definitely would recommend those over just buying the standard if you want to buy with the mic included. Otherwise, this camera is just great. It's small, it's compact, and because I live in Alaska, it does tend to get brighter during the daytimes, and then at night, usually in the winter times around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, it tends to get darker. So this does well in low light, although I have not tried it myself. I did do it with my Osmo Action 5. So this does have the ability to shoot in low light. I just haven't tried it myself. So I will be doing a video on that in a later video. So stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please think about hitting that subscribe button, hitting that bell notification. That way you don't miss my content when I talk about the Osmo Pocket 3 and other action camera accessories for this as well, because I will be dropping a video for that as well. Otherwise, it is the perfect video vlogging setup for just about anybody. It's great for traveling. It's great for just solo content like this, where you basically just walk around with this in your hand and no one's none the wiser. You can also shoot in 4x3 with this. It takes amazing photos. It's a really good camera for those who are willing to spend the money to put it through its uses. Like I said, you don't need an extra lens. You don't need to buy a camera that has active stabilization, because this is basically like a gimbal, and no matter where you go, no matter what you're using, it will constantly stay on you. You can walk around and the footage will still stay stabilized. It does have a battery that has a quarter screw on it that you can pretty much mount to any tripod or anything that would use a quarter screw that you can mount it to. There are tons of other accessories that I've seen on YouTube. One in particular is one from Sunny Life. You can basically it's just a case that you can magnet to anything with a magnetic surface, which is actually kind of cool. I'm thinking about buying one myself. But there's just a lot of applications that you can use with the Osmo Pocket 3. It shoots 4K at 30 or 60 frames. I'm shooting it at 24 frames, and also does slow-mo, which I don't really use. But I love the joystick on this, the buttons. It's simple to use. Micro SD card. It's just literally the best pocket camera that you can get on the market, unless until the Pocket 4 comes out, that pretty much works for every application for those who are looking to start their first YouTube channel, or those who are looking to, say, buy a camera but they don't want to spend a lot of money on lenses. This is definitely something I would recommend. And also take a look at the Osmo Action 4 and the 5 as well. But stay tuned for those videos, as I'll be dropping something later on for the Osmo Action 5 about low light. And that's all that I got for you guys. I want to thank everybody for watching. Again, if you're new to my channel, please think about hitting that subscribe button, hitting that bell notification. That way you don't miss content when I drop it. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And I do have the sun blaring me right in the face, but like I said, I have an ND filter on this. So it's pretty cool that you can actually put something like that on this and not have to worry about messing with white balance and exposure, at least to a degree. But as I said before, I'll be doing an accessory video for the Osmo Pocket 3, at least the ones that I think would work great for those looking to kind of not spend a lot of money on accessories. So stay tuned for that video when I drop that one. Otherwise, I want to thank everybody for watching. See you guys in the next video. Enjoy your week.